Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you exactly how to create an stunning professional portfolio website using Wix for free in 2025. Whether you are a photographer, designer, writer, student or freelancer, having an online portfolio is one of the best ways to show off your work and land clients for jobs. Wix is one of the easiest website building out there. So grab a coffee, hit the like button, and let's build your new portfolio step by step. So first of all, sign up and pick a template. So when you will come over here into the Wix platform, you will get to see something like this. Let's go and show you the result. You will get to see this kind of a thing. So you just need to click on get started. Once you click over here, then eventually you just need to create an account. Once you create an account, then you will redirect to that place. So once you are in, you just need to click on create new site. Once you click over here, Wix will ask what type of website you are building. You can choose portfolio and CV. Like here you can see bring your ideas to life with AI. You can go with setup with a chat. Once you click over here, then they will ask you the questions I already mentioned. So here, what type of website do you want to create? So I will click on portfolio and I will just click on continue. Once I click over here, then they will redirect us to our dashboard. Now you will see lots of beautiful template and made just for portfolios. You can pick one for photography, graphic design, modeling, writing, everything you like. So here you just need to give your website name, like this one will be my website name. Then just click the continue, and from that place you can see you can add any of apps for your users. So I will select all of them, then just click the continue, and from that place you just need to click on continue to the dashboard. Once you click over here, your setup is done. Now you just need to start your design. So here you just click on design site. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to here. So how would you like to design your website? You can pick a template, or you can go with this one, generative design. I will go with this one. I will just pick a template. Just click over here, and I already mentioned that if you click over here, then you will get all kind of a template as a portfolio. You can choose any of them for your users. If you are a content creator, you can choose any. If you are a photographer, you can choose at here. You will find all different kind of a template in here. So I will go with this one. So I think let's find out an portfolio which suitable for my choice. So let's say I think this one is quite good, so I'll go with this one. Just click on to the view. Once I click over here, then I will get to see the template, and here you can see as a photographer it was the great one. So I will click over here, and let's check the responsiveness. Yes, it is quite responsive. I think it will be a good one. So I'll click on edit this site. Once I click over here, it means I select the themes for our users. Take your time browsing. When you find one, you will love it. Like, just click edit. Now you are inside the Wix editor, the fun part. Now you just need to understand the Wix editor. Before we start customization, let's do a quick tour of the Wix editor. On the left side here you can see we have a couple of options. It calls tools. They have menu and page tools and design tools, add element tools, media and blog start tools, many more and many more. Here you will get to see. In the middle you will see the live website preview. Let's wait a bit. When it will complete, then we will get to see eventual results. So let's be wait here, and you can see this is the middle one. You will see live website preview. Just click any elements to edit it. Like let's say I just want to change the image. If I click over here, now I can change it here. If you want to do edit in here, you can do it. If you want to do quick edit here, you are allowed to do it. And when you are ready, you just need to hit publish to make your site live. It's all drag and drop, so you don't need any coding. Just like edit and move things around until you love how it looks. Now in the next step, you just need to customize your page. Most portfolio templates come with this main pages, home, your welcome pages, and then portfolio or gallery where you show your work. So here you can eventually see the same one. Like let's reduce the size, increase the size. Here you can see this is the menu horizontal. We have portfolio menu, about, contract, blog and book online. Similarly, we have the about me where I will provide my history, background or bio. Then another one is contract, how people can reach me. Then book online. If they want any appointment from me, they can go with this one. So to edit text, just click on it, change the headline, add your name, or write your catchy intro. Let's say we are going to edit this name, so I will double tap this one and I will give my name, and here you can see it already been changed. Now here you can change the headline also. So it all are editable. You can add new sections like testimonial or service. You can add on the left and drag and drop to the net. Like let's try to add a new section here. Just click over here and you will get three options. So I just want to add a section, so I will click over here, add section. So say click over here. Now from that place I will go to the testimonials, and here you can see this is the testimonial we have. So I will get to see drop here. This is a drag and drop website, that's why it easily place it here. So this way you can add any sections, and if you want to add elements you can also add it here. Just go over here and just go to the button, and from that place I am going to add a button. So read more, I will place it here and it will be placed in this way easily. So this is so much easy, as you can see it. Let's place this one in here, and you can eventually see that it was placing in here. So you can drag and drop here actually, and it was so much easy. So now if you want a blog, you just need to click to the blog, and which will add one to your site automatically. It is great if you want to share updates or articles with your audience. Now let's talk about to build your portfolio pages. Your portfolio page is the star of your site, so let's make it shine. Like you just need to click on portfolio or gallery in your pages. So here you just need to go over here pages, and here you can see this is the portfolio pages. You just need to select this one or click this one, and it will redirect you to the portfolio pages. So here you will see a grid or slider of image. To change this, click on the gallery, it manage media. Just click over here, and once you click over here you will get the portfolio page. You just need to click over here, manage collections. If you click over here, from that place you can easily manage this collection for you. You can add your collection over here, you can add your project over that place. You can add titles or short description so people know what they are looking at. For example, logo design for brand X or product photography. So in this way you can add project and collections, and also you can also add multiple project pages. Like so when someone clicks an image, they can see more details about the project, like extra photos, videos, or client history. You just need to keep it clean, don't overload it. Choose your best work to make a strong first impressions. Now let's talk about the polish the design. So next let's polish your site overall look. You just need to click on site design on the left. Here you can here you will get to see this one. You will find out in here dashboard. Just come back to this one and let's refresh this one, and here you will actually see the design. So you stick two or three colors and one or two fonts. It keeps your site looking professional and easy to read. Don't forget to check how it looks on mobile view, which automatically makes your site mobile friendly, but you can tweak things if something looks off. Now you just need to add contacts and connect socials. Make sure people can reach you on your contact page. Update your emails, phone if you want, and add a contact form. Double check that the form is connected to your email so you don't miss any messages. Add your social media links to link like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Behance. Just click at choose social icons and drop them in your footer or header, and you just need to publish and get found. Here you just need to click to the publish, and it will be online for you. And that's it for today. Now you know exactly how you can create portfolio with the Wix platform. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.